Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking about the Google SEO checklist for 2023. This is what I thought, well, if I was going to hire somebody to do the SEO just for Google, not any other search engine at this point, just that one, then what do I want them to do? And so I made the list, and the Google document is attached to this episode. If you go to the guyrcookreport.podbean.com, I've got them so you can get them. And this list, the items in this list: keyword research, on-page optimization, site structure and navigation, make sure it's set up right. Mobile friendliness, if it's mobile ready or not, is going to matter, at least to Google's search. Google search dictates that mobile gets first listing, okay? The page loading speed, content quality, user experience, backlinks and link building, social signals, and that means engage your audience in social media platforms. And those are going to be different ways to do that on different channels. And so make sure that your SEO guru that you've hired is aware of those. And then lastly, the analytics and monitoring. If this guy's going to give you a report or not on how well they're doing or not doing. I mean, it takes about 6 months to get really hitting it. And at the bottom, if you scroll down in this document, you're going to get to all the sources like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, etc. There's a bunch of resources in that document. Do take a look and scroll down and look at that. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.